Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we are going to solve a nice mathematics Olympiad problem, that is a plus b is equal to 4 and a times b is equal to 8. So we have to find all possible values of a and b. So first of all, let's say it is our equation number 1 and it is our equation number 2. Now equation 1 implies that a plus b is equal to 4. Now expressing this equation with respect to b, then we get b is equal to 4. Shifting this plus a, we get minus a. So b is equal to 4 minus a. Let's say it is our equation number 3. Now putting this value of b in equation number 2, then we have our equation number 2 implies that equation number 2, that is a times b is equal to 8. So when b is equal to 4 minus a, then we have a times 4 is 4a minus a times a is a squared. Shifting this one, we get minus 8 is equal to 0. Now by rearranging, we get minus a squared plus 4 times a minus 8 is equal to 0. So if we multiply minus 1 on both hand side, that minus 1 times minus a squared plus 4 times a minus 8 is equal to 0 times minus 1. So here we have minus times minus is plus a squared minus 4 times a plus 8 is equal to 0. Now we have a nice quadratic equation. We have to solve this equation with respect to a by using that quadratic formula. So here we have a is equal to 1, value of a, and value of b is equal to minus 4, and c is equal to 8. And I hope you are familiar from that general form of quadratic equation, which is x squared plus b times x plus c is equal to 0. So if we just compare this equation with this general form, so we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, and c is equal to 8. Now the value of x according to formula, that is x is equal to, here we have value of a, so we just write here that let's say it is our value of capital A, it is our value of capital A. So here we just write that here x is actually equal to a, so here we are going to write that a is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times this a, which is capital A, and c all over 2 times a. Now by putting values, we get here it is x, so we are going to cancel this one. So a is equal to minus times b is minus 4, value of minus b, plus minus square root of b squared, which is minus 4 whole squared, minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 8, all over 2 times a, so a is 1. Here we have a is equal to minus times minus is plus, we get 4 plus minus square root of that 4 minus 4 squared, we get 16 plus 16. Here we have a times 4 is 32, all over 2 times 1 is 2. Now our next step will be, here a is equal to 4 plus minus 16 minus 32, we get minus 16. Here we have minus 16 all over 2. Our next step is 4 plus minus, we can write this one that square root of 16 times square root of minus 1 all over 2. Here we have a is equal to, that is 4 plus minus square root of 16. We know that square root of 16 is equal to 4 and minus 1 square root is equal to I all over 2. Here if we just take 2 is common, so we get 2 plus minus 2i all over 2. Now this 2 is cancelled out with 2. We get the final values of a, which is 2 plus minus 2i. And here we see that these two values are complex values for a. So here we have our first value of a is 2 plus 2i, and here we have our second value is, that is a2, which is equal to 2 minus 2i. Now by using these two equations, these two values of a in our equation number 3, we can find out the value of b. Now we know that from equation number 3, here we have b is equal to 4 minus a. It is our equation 3. So we are going to just recall our equation 3. That is, recall equation number 3. Here we have b is equal to 4 minus a. So when a is equal to a1, then this b will be b1. So b1 is equal to 4 minus a1 is 2 plus 2i. So b1 is equal to 4 minus time plus is minus 2 and minus 2i. So we have value of b1 is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2 minus 2i. It means that when a is equal to 2 plus 2i, then b is equal to 2 minus 2i. So we get first pair, that is a times b is equal to, here we have value of a is 2 plus 2i, and for this value of b will be 2 minus 2i. Similarly, we have another value from this a2, which is 2 minus 2i. Then according to equation 3, if we just recall our equation number 3, which is b1, here we will be b will be b2. So 4 minus a2. So b2 is equal to 4 minus a2 is 2 minus 2i. Here we have b2 is equal to 4 minus 2 plus 2i. So we get the value of b2, which is equal to, b2 is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 2i. So it is our value of b2. So when a is 2 minus 2i, here we just write our second pair. When a is 2 minus 2i, then value of b will be 2 plus 2i. So it is our final solution of a and b. Now we can verify our problem by using any pair of values. So let's say we are going to use this value, and you can also use this one, and you can verify this problem. So for verification, here we just write our first equation. That is, our first equation is a plus b is equal to 4, and second equation is a times b is equal to 8. Now we are going to verify using these values of a and b. Now when a is equal to 2 plus 2i, here it will be 2 plus 2i plus b is 2 minus 2i. Is it equal to 4? Now plus minus is cancelled. We get 4 is equal to 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4 is equal to 4. Hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now equation 2 will be on this a times b. So a is 2 plus 2i times b is 2 minus 2i. Is it equal to 8? Here we get, it is a plus b times a minus b. So according to algebraic identity, a plus b times a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. So it will be 2 squared minus 2i whole squared. Is it equal to 8? So here we have 2 squared is 4, and minus this 2 is 4, and I squared is minus 1. Is it equal to 8? So our next step will be 4 minus time minus is plus, 4 times 1 is 4. Is it equal to 8? Yes, 4 plus 4 is 8 is equal to 8. So hence our both equations are valid for this value of a and b. Similarly, you can use this one. So it is our final answer. It is our required result, that we have to just find out the value of a and b. So now we are going to just recall our problem here. I hope you have really enjoyed this video and you have understand all these steps one by one. So that's it for today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone preparing for your Math Olympiad exams. So don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.